everyone, welcome to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. It's a new year and that often means we're looking to get fit and get active and start a new exercise regime. And if you're over 50, a senior or older adult suffering with painful joints, it's difficult sometimes to know where to start. I'm here to share with you that Tai Chi is a really effective, low impact, gentle exercise that you can practice with me at home. It's just 10 minutes long to get you moving. We're going to work out our major muscle groups and learn Tai Chi at home. So we're going to get started. So I'd like you to start with feet hip width apart. Just take a moment to think about your posture. Try to get everything nice and relaxed and keep all the movements well within your comfort zone. We're going to start with a nice breath in, bringing the hands to the chest, and breath out, pushing the hands back down again. So breathing in, focus on the breath, and breathing out, calming everything down. Nice steady rhythm. And as we're moving the hands up, keeping the shoulders down and relaxed, and just listening to our own body. We're going to add a little knee bend as we push the hands down. So keep the posture nice and tall. Keep that torso stretched up towards the ceiling. And we're bending the knees gently, keeping the knee joints soft. Inhale and exhale. So really feeling your flow, really be present in the moment and feel every part of this movement. Keeping that breathing calm. This time we're going to take it all the way up to the ceiling. So this is a Qigong movement, holding up the heavens. And then we're going to relax everything as we slowly bring the hands down. Now remember just to keep this movement within your comfort zone. So stretch just as far as you can, but visualize a bigger movement. And that helps with our overall mobility, keeping it slow and controlled. Inhale and exhale if you can as we move the hands down. Or just slow and controlled breathing a little bit deeper than we would normally. Like we're moving our hands through water, we've got to push that water away. This time we're going to bring the hands up. I'm going to push forwards. I'm sinking my weight into one foot so I can push out with a step. Bringing the hands in and pushing forwards from the chest. So this is a small bow stance. And our movement is called undulating waves. So like we're moving our hands through that water, pushing the waves out of the way. Really feel that push. And let's bring it in. Let's go the other way. So sink the weight and then we can heel toe forwards into that bow stance. Bow stance is like a front lunge. We've got our front foot facing forwards and our other foot about 45 degrees. Hence that's why I'm going to the corner. Just keeping it relaxed relaxed and free flowing and pushing through. Nice transfer of weight, rocking backwards and forwards. And we're engaging those key leg muscles and building strength. And let's bring it in here. Taking the feet slightly wider, we're bringing the hands up and pushing down. Sinking into what's called horse stance. So a slightly deeper bend than before, but exactly the same. We're keeping the torso stretched up to the ceiling, keeping all our joints tension free. Nice inhale. This is called gathering the chi. And chi is our energy. And I like to think about this as if we're gathering positivity and we're bringing it in. Inhale. And exhale. Taking the weight over again. We're going into our bow stance. This time we're going to push forwards and we're going to open out the hands, and then we're going to rock back and look to the ceiling. So I'm trying to keep my body in a straight line as I look to the ceiling. And again, just keep this movement within your comfort zone. Get that transfer of weight, so you should feel your leg muscles working and your core nice and strong, pulling belly button through to the spine to keep that torso in a nice straight line as we look to the sky. And bringing it in. Let's go the other way. So first of all, we're heel toe into our bow stance, opening out. And we can feel a nice expansion across the chest here. And again, open out, looking up to the sky, but making sure it's not a back bend. It's a small movement. And this time, bringing it in. Finally, we're going to heel toe and push forwards and bringing it in. And the other hand. Think about that posture. Push it out. And really focus on the hand that we're pushing. We're moving our hands through that water, pushing something heavy out of the way. One more on each side. And then let's gather the chi. Inhale, let's press the palms and relax as the hands come past. And let's go again. And bringing it in here. I hope you've enjoyed that session of Tai Chi at home. A great way to start the new year, learning Tai Chi, a really effective exercise and a great beginner's Tai Chi session here. good for seniors and older people to keep fit and get active in this new year. Join me again next week for another session about 10 minutes long, and we'll keep on moving and practice our Tai Chi at home. Remember to subscribe. I do thank you all for your support, and take care. Bye.